Because the right position of the toad is not this one, right? The upright position is like that. Okay, so with that class, ang kanang naadere, okay, the one that is hidden by the inferior is the superior. Okay, mag-ana man siya, so mag-una yun to siya dire, superior. And then the inferior. Okay? Okay. Next, trapezius. Now, the trapezius, this is the triangular muscle immediately below the skull. Okay, so this is the skull. Okay, so in that one, okay, so that is the triangular mass, which is the trapezius. Now, the trapezius class is a continuation up to this point. Okay, from this point to here, that is trapezius. And then, behind the trapezius is a large muscle, which is the dorsalis scapula. Okay? Dorsalis scapula. Now, when I mention the two, mo ng scapulae. Okay, levator scapulae. No? If it's one only scapula, okay? So, this is dorsalis scapula. Okay, automatically, okay, posterior, no? Okay, lateral to the triangular muscle, which is the trapezius. And then, below the dorsalis scapula is a muscle, just a short muscle, wherein this would be a continuation, not really a continuation, but after the trapezius is the latissimus dorsi. Okay, so again, you dissect it. Okay, dissect by separating the latissimus from the dorsalis scapula. Okay, kita mo? Okay. So, be very careful in dissecting, ha? Not to destroy. Okay, kinalan accurate jud mo in separating this from the other muscle. Okay? So, that is the latissimus dorsi. Okay, next is the longissimus dorsi. Now, longissimus dorsi, that is a long muscle that runs along the dorsal, going towards the urostyle. Okay? So, from this point that would start here, in between the trapezius. Okay? So, that is the longissimus up to this point. Okay, here. No? Okay, up to that point. That is the longissimus. Then, next to the longissimus is the coccygeus sacralis. Okay, why sacralis? Because this is attached to the sacral. Okay, and then you have the iliacus. Okay, so you have the coccygio sacralis and then iliacus. So, nagsunod lang yun na siya. Longissimus, sacralis, and iliacus. Okay? Okay, and then, the lateral, okay, abdomen. Okay? So, this is the abdomen, muscle of the abdomen on its lateral. Okay, this is the ventral. Okay, on its lateral, you have the, what is that? External oblique. Okay, tanawa, oblique. No? External oblique, mean to say, ang oblique, that is according to the direction, no, of the fiber of the muscle. Okay? And then, next is the transversus abdominis or the internal oblique. Now, you just need to slice here, no? Okay, kana, just to show the muscle immediately after. Okay? So, be very kung ano nyo siya, thin lang so that you will not expose the internal organs. Okay? So, external and then you have the internal. Tanawa ninyo ha ang direction sa iyahang muscle fiber. Okay? Or the transversus abdominis. Next. Okay. So, what is this again? External oblique and the internal oblique or the transversus abdominis. Okay? And this would be the entire rectus abdominis. From this point up to this point. 6 packs na siya ha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? From this point only. Now, these transverse faint lines, that is the inscriptiones tendinae. Okay? Naana din ha. And then the line that is in the middle, okay, of the stomach or the rectus abdominis is the linea alba. Okay? So, kani siya, the rectus abdominis. Okay? Up to this point.